Hey guys, greetings. Hope you're having a good weekend, whatever you may be doing at this moment. Hopefully, you're getting started on math homework. Anyway, this video will cover the homework assignment over the weekend. It's compositions of tables and graphs. So, in the first few questions, you're given three different tables, and you're asked to find some composites. Okay. So let me just give you an example and let's walk through it together, and hopefully it'll help you with the homework. So let's say you're given these two tables right here. We got an f of x table and we have a g of x table. And let's say we want to find f of g of 1. So what does it mean to compose functions again? Like, what does it mean when we see this notation? Well, it means that we take the output of g when the input is 1, and then we plug that output into f and get the output of f. So it's kind of like a function within another function. Okay? So let's start from the middle. What is g of 1? Well, g of 1, if we look at our table, is the output when the input is 1 on the g of x table. So that would be 2. So I'm going to replace the g of 1 with a 2 because that's what g of 1 is. F of 2, well, we can figure that out from looking at the f of x table, and the output of f of x when the input of 2 is 5. So this is all equal to 5. F of g of 1 is equal to 5. Hopefully that'll help you with the homework. Now there's going to be a few questions on the homework where there will be no input for a given output. So let's say you're doing like f of g of 2. What is f of g of 2? Well, if you plug in 2 for the input, you would get -1 for the output. And if you come over here, there is no -1. So what's the answer? It would be undefined, because there exists no output when the input is -1 on the f of x table. That's to give you a heads up for a couple questions on the homework. Now for the graphs, you're doing the exact same thing, except you're just finding the outputs on graphs instead of on tables. So let's say we have these two linear functions. The black one is f of x, the red one is g of x, and let's say we want to find g of f of 1. Okay? Well, we would first find f of 1. So we would look at the black line, and if we plug in an input of 1, and go up, looks like the output when the input is 1 is 2. Okay? So I'm going to replace this f of 1 with a 2. So we'd really be finding g of 2. And that's pretty easy, because now we're looking at the red graph. And we would go over 2. When I plug in 2 to the red graph, I would have to go down here, and that would be -3 on my line. So g of f of 1 is equal to -3. Email me if you have questions. Good luck on the homework. See you guys Monday.